What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Austin, what's up, man?
Oh, just another day in paradise, man.
Another day talking about Shiba Inu, too. One of the driving forces right now in the crypto market, following Dogecoin. It's pretty crazy, man. When you think about both of these and how powerful they've become together, two heavyweights and Bitcoin slightly down, but SHIB and Doge, man, continue to push us forward and keep us moving in the right direction.
I think I'm going to go out on a limb. I think that the next bull run is going to be sparked by Dogecoin / Shiba Inu.
Wow.
Yeah.
We talked about like those being kind of gateways to crypto. Do you still think that kind of continues into the next bull run?
Yeah, I mean, they're definitely the gateways for retail money. Globally retail money. They're definitely the gateway for that. And what's interesting is that we saw SHIB raise up from Dogecoin's run. But even like even like in the last couple of days, if Dogecoin runs up like 3% again against the grain, even when Bitcoin and Ethereum are flat, you go look at SHIB and Shiba Inu's up about 2.5+%. And there's no catalyst right now for Shiba Inu. I know we're going to talk about kind of the future of SHIB in this video and kind of the major update that we're expecting, but it's interesting to see, So
For sure. Yeah, we could jump into that. So two things really that we're kind of waiting to see, and Shaitoshi's kind of hinted at both of these two in some tweets, and we're probably going to see a Medium article to kind of iron all this out. But one thing is Shiba Eternity Player's Guide is expected to be coming up. That is something they promised that's coming very soon. And then I think the big one, obviously, everybody's waiting, Shibarium. And the thing with Shibarium, I want your thoughts on both these. The thing with Shibarium is it's kind of out of Shaitoshi and company's hands right now. It's in the hands of the company working on Shibarium unification, X Fund. They're kind of handling all of that. So a lot of people are saying some nasty things. Not a lot of people, but some people are saying some nasty things about the SHIB dev team, and it's like it's really not in their control right now. But it's a big catalyst. I'm willing to wait personally. I mean, we're in a bear market. When it's ready, right? But how do you think, or how do you feel about both of these?
You're never going to please everybody all the time, ever, especially when it comes to Shiba Inu we see the same thing in Cardano and all those kind of things. I think there will always be that faction of people that are like, it's never enough. It's never fast enough. Thank you. You just gave me that. Now, what are you going to do for me tomorrow? I mean, I think that, I think ultimately Shibarium is the foundation of Shiba Inu's future, present and future ecosystem, and you have to get that right. And I think that they will get that right, and they will release it when they will release it. I think it's a Q1 release, maybe a limited release, just to because there will be still issues, things of that nature. But back to your question, I think that yes, I think that we've been told from a kind of the future is that we're about due for a Medium blog update where they touch every single component in it with its own paragraph. I think you were right. I think we'll get a lot more insight into Shiba Eternity Player's Guide. We'll probably get some meat around Shibarium. Do I think they're going to give us some dates on Shibarium? Nope, I don't. I mean, maybe some rough kind of like, these kind of time frames. It depends on how far unification is, and the other thing is, I would say the metaverse, right? I mean, the metaverse is a end of 2023, in my opinion, Q3, Q4, because that's such a complex development life cycle there. So,
yeah, no doubt about it. Those are the three things that are really, on everybody's mind right now as SHIB holders. So we'll keep tabs on that. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. Make sure you guys check out all the links down below in the description of this video. Hop in the ClearCryptos Discord. Make sure you subscribe right here for more content. So we'll see you in the next one.
See you.